5 factors to consider when choosing the best Forex broker. When choosing the best Forex broker, you must consider the types of accounts, ease of deposit and withdrawal, 24-hour customer support, and trading platforms. Let us dig deeper into this, shall we? Five factors to consider when choosing a legit Forex broker. 1. Is the Forex broker regulated? If you want to choose a good Forex broker, you must determine if a reputable national government agency regulates the broker. In Kenya, Forex brokers are regulated by the Capital Markets Authority (CMA). It is more beneficial if the broker is regulated by more than one regulatory body. Some of the most trusted Forex regulatory agencies globally include the International Financial Services Commission, Belize, Commodities and Futures Trading Commission, USA, Financial Conduct Authority, UK. 2. Trading platforms. What types of trading platforms does the broker provide? Do they allow traders to trade on MT4, MT5, or are they forcing traders to use their custom-made trading software only? Forex brokers that use their custom-made trading platforms can access the software's source codes. That means they can alter price movement as much as it pleases them. If you must use a broker that does not provide MetaTrader 4 or MetaTrader 5 platforms, consider conducting your analysis on another independent charting tool such as TradingView. When you find entry and exit points and are done with your chart analysis, use the broker's custom-made trading software to place and manage your trades. 3. Types of accounts. There are 3 main types of accounts in Forex trading: standard 1 lot size, mini 0.1 lot size, and micro 0.01 lot size. Before opening a Forex account, consider the types of accounts the broker is offering. In addition, find out how the broker makes money through the account type you are about to open. Does the broker make money through widening spreads or charging commissions? Remember that spreads make it hard for a trader to make a profit, as the trades will always begin in red whenever a trader opens a position. That said, you can pick a broker that offers spreads from as low as 0.01 pips with no commissions. 4. Does the broker provide 24-hour customer support? A good Forex broker should provide 24-hour customer support. Why should they be away when the Forex market is open 24 hours a day, 5 days a week? Who is going to provide answers to their clients' technical questions? A good broker must make it possible for their clients to reach a customer agent through phone calls and live chat at any time. Consider this factor very important if you don't like sending support questions through away tickets, which often end up not being responded to. 5. Deposit and withdrawal of funds. Forget about Forex brokers that restrict traders to complicated means of payment that they are unfamiliar with. It feels good to trade while knowing that you can withdraw your money at any time using your preferred means of payment and receive cash instantly. In addition to that, think about the transaction fee. Are you receiving your money in full? Or are there some middlemen fees in between? Conclusion. I believe you now understand the factors you must consider when choosing the best Forex broker. Please remember that there is no good or bad broker. It's about choice. Make your choice today and close that chapter so you can devote your precious time and attention to conducting analysis and developing your trading strategies. In the next video, we will talk about important things you must know when you set up as a Forex trader. But before you move to the next video, please leave a comment in the box below. Comments help us know whether our videos are helping someone gain Forex trading knowledge. Thank you for watching.